All right, that's how we do the health check on goats. Come on, Oreo. Come here, girl. Oh, big girl. Oh, you are a big girl. Come on. Come on. Get your head in. Get your head all the way in. Move it. Move your head forward. Get your foot out of there. Move forward. There you go. Look, I got you some food. There's some food. You want to eat it? Huh? You want to eat that food? That's a good girl. We're going to go ahead and get started with a little cracker. Just because you did so good coming to the barn. Thank you. All right. First things first, we got to clean you. Yeah? We have to clean you. So, I know you don't like this part. But we got to do it. Otherwise, your hooves will grow kind of like ingrown. And then, it can hurt you, girl. This is a little tough for me with the fact that I can't see real detail and stuff. So I just got to be real careful when I cut your nails in a minute, not to actually cut you. Isn't that right? Yeah, that's right. I got to be super careful. We already did Goldie today, and Goldie was super unimpressed with the process. Yeah, she was. You're a little more used to it, aren't you? Yeah, a little more used to it. You ain't happy about it, I know. All right, give me the paw. Come on, give me the hoof. You can do it, good girl. We're going to cut off all of this hoof that's curled under. Kind of like cutting a fingernail. You've got to be careful. If you go too deep, then we'll end up having to use some of that blood stoppers there. Haven't had to yet, but hoping today is not the day, you know? I'm sure eventually I'll slip or whatever. We'll get cut quick a little bit. It's not what I want, but we do this every month, once a month. For you guys, seems to be the right schedule for y'all. You get a little bit of undergrowth, but nothing crazy. As long as I keep up with it once a month. Every goat's different, every property's different. Our girls are averaging once a month before you got to get this growth taken care of. And what she's got up front there, she's got some of that grain. She really likes the grain. So she's eating some grain right now. She's happy about that. Every once in a while, you'll see me go in my pocket for some crackers. They're literally animal crackers in there. Yeah, you'll see all over the internet. Some people say it's horrible for them, some people say it's fine. I don't know. I can tell you, I give them a reasonable amount. They all get about one or two, literally, animal crackers a day. When we're not doing hoof trim day, when we're doing this, they get a little more. But overall, I haven't seen any effect on the girls here. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. And so, they like it. It's a treat for them. Ooh, this one's bad. Yeah, this one's way bad. I know you don't like the back of those done, but this one, did I miss some of this last time, or have you just been growing that much? Huh? She's, this Oreo here is about a year old now. Yeah. Never been bred. Probably will in the next 6 months or so, depending on how things go. You hear the girls out there yelling? Huh? Do you hear them yelling? I think I got most of that one. Alright, I gotta get this front one here. Enjoy your grain, you're fine. Just give me the front one. I know. Almost like going to the doctors. Never do. But if we don't do our preventative maintenance, then you could literally die. We don't want that, do we? So, I think the preventative maintenance is kind of one of those things we need to do, girl. So we don't end up, well, dead. Alright, this one's curled under real bad. Bear with me. Gotta get up under this. Now that we've cut our nails, trimmed them, next thing we're going to do is file them down a little bit. Kind of like a cuticle file. Doesn't hurt them. They still don't like their hooves being picked up. Get over here. All right, give me this one. Oh, stop being a friend. Give me it. Now we're going to get all that extra off of there. Yep, get a good little file there. Got to be kind of aggressive with that. Again, not really hurting them or anything, but you got to get in there. A little bit of piece there. You're gonna need to cut that piece. I can feel it flapping a little bit. Real hard for me to see this stuff with my vision, but I can feel it. Don't want dirt getting up in there. We don't want it getting infected. I think I'm going to need new shears because these are not that old, but they are definitely getting a little cut. Ooh. Yeah, no. Get back in on that one a little bit. There you go. Girl. Let me get the other side. This one. Nice. Aggressive cuticle there. Last one, please. Yeah, I know you don't like it. I don't like it either. But you know what? We both have to do it if you're going to stay healthy. Yeah, I know. But you're doing so good. I appreciate it. Yeah, you're doing so good. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush her down real quick. Just get some of that extra off. After that, we got to check her eyes. Essentially using the, I think it's called the matcha scale, just to make sure her parasite load is okay and she's doing all right. I know. Get some of that extra off for you. And you don't have near the amount that your sister's does. I mean, Goldie is like, Goldie has it everywhere. Now we got to check her eyeball to see if it's pink enough. I know. Let me see the eye. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, look at you. So healthy. So healthy. All right. We're going to let you soothe loose. You did a good, great job. Good job. Here, you want a cracker? You want a cracker? You want a cracker? Girl, don't jump. Oh, I know you will jump. Oh, but let's not try that.